Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying low-hanging factors that sap energy: hydration, recent sleep, and blood sugar. Once done, drink 250 to 500 ml water, sit upright, and take 3 deep diaphragmatic breaths to reset your nervous system. Move for 5 to 10 minutes, light walking or shoulder rolls, to increase blood flow. This quick activation reduces brain fog. Make sure to time this now before longer measures. Acting fast converts fatigue into manageable alertness and sets up the next practical steps. You now focus on rebuilding steady energy rather than a short spike. Eat a small meal with 20 to 30 grams protein and 15 to 30 grams carbs within the next 60 to 90 minutes to stabilize blood sugar. Once done, sip water and avoid high-sugar snacks that crash you. Use a 10 to 20-minute nap if needed. Short naps boost alertness without deep sleep inertia. Make sure to adjust lighting. Bright daytime light promotes wakefulness. Reduce blue light in the evening to support recovery. You complete the process by locking in routines that prevent recurring fatigue. Choose a consistent sleep window aiming for 7 to 9 hours and schedule meals and movement across the day. Once done, practice a 5-minute breathing or progressive muscle relaxation exercise before bed to lower hyperarousal. If improvement stalls, track sleep, mood, caffeine, and activity for 1 to 2 weeks to spot patterns. Make sure to consult a healthcare provider if fatigue persists despite these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.